Welcome back to our channel. Introducing the eufy E25 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate smart cleaning solution designed to keep your home effortlessly spotless. With powerful suction, efficient mopping, and intelligent navigation, this all-in-one robot handles dust, dirt, and stains so you can enjoy more free time and cleaner floors every day. Vacuum and Mop Combo, the eufy E25 Omni is a true 2-in-1 device. It doesn't just vacuum, it mops at the same time, meaning you get a complete floor cleaning session in one go. Dust, debris, stains, or spills, this robot handles it all with ease. Strong suction power, this robot is equipped with powerful suction strong enough to pick up pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust from both carpets and hard floors. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or low-pile carpet, the E25 adapts and cleans effectively. Self-washing and self-drying mop pads. Here's a premium feature you'll love, the self-washing and self-drying mop system. After each mop session, the robot returns to its dock, where the pads are automatically washed and then hot air dried. This keeps everything hygienic and saves you time and effort. Advanced LiDAR Navigation. Thanks to LiDAR Smart Navigation, the E25 maps your home in real time, planning efficient paths and avoiding obstacles. It knows where it's going and avoids bumping into furniture, or worse, getting stuck. You can also set no-go zones, specific rooms, or even custom cleaning schedules from the app. Compact base with modern design. Even with all this functionality, the base station remains sleek and compact. It fits well in modern homes and doesn't look bulky or industrial. The elegant design and minimal footprint make it a great fit in any room, whether it's your living room or hallway. Voice and app control. With support for Alexa, Google Assistant, and the eufy Clean app, controlling your robot is simple and hands-free. Start a cleaning cycle, schedule sessions, or check cleaning history all from your phone or using voice commands. For a reliable, hands-free way to keep your home sparkling, the eufy E25 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a game-changer. Smarter, stronger, and designed for modern living, it makes cleaning simple, so you can focus on what really matters. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.